If you've been sitting on the sidelines waiting for the perfect sign to buy a home, here's your sign. I'm going to tell you exactly why the next 120 days could save you tens of thousands of dollars. And here's what's happening right now in the Triangle market and frankly across the country. Mortgage rates have dropped from over 7% down to the low 6s. And now I know what you're thinking, Marty, this is still higher than 2020, and you'd be right. But here's what most people miss about this market. Every major real estate economist, and I mean everyone, is calling fall 25 and early 26 the best buying window that we've seen in years. And why is because of the timing of your buy is everything in real estate. You know, Moody Analytics just ranked 20 states with a high risk of going into recession, and they only ranked 4 with expanding economies. Want to guess what they were? Texas, Florida, Pennsylvania, and North Carolina. So rates are down enough to make your monthly payment manageable, but they haven't dropped so low that every buyer in the Triangle is competing for the same 3 houses. Remember those days? And here's what's important. The projections show rates could hit below 6% by early 26. And when that happens, you're going to be competing with everyone who's been waiting on the sidelines. Multiple offers, bidding wars, the whole thing. Let me give you a real example. If you buy a $500,000 home at 6.5% interest rate, your payment's going to be about $3,100. If rates drop to 5.5 next spring, that same home now costs you $530,000 because of the increased competition. So your payment drops to $3,000, but you paid $30,000 more for the house. And you can't refinance your purchase price, but you can refinance your rate. So here's my advice. Buy the home, lock in the house price, and refi when rates go down versus buying in the frenzy of the lower rate buyers. And if you're financially ready, if we do our job and find you a home that fits your lifestyle and your goals, this is your moment. So lock in your purchase price now while you got a bit of negotiating power. I've helped many families navigate markets that are just like this one. The ones who wait for the perfect condition, well, they usually end up paying more and getting less home for the money. So if you want to talk strategy, if you want to see what's actually available in your price range and how these rate changes could affect your specific situation, let's have a conversation. I'm Marti Hampton. I've been doing this for a while, and I can tell you with absolute certainty, windows like this don't stay open long. So give me a call at 919-601-7710 or visit martihampton.com.